Yes. So will you also ask your MP to abstain?
See, number one, from the party side, recently Honorable Chief Minister has taken the delegation to Delhi, met few leaders of the central government, and they assured also to the delegation that the clauses of that proposed amendment, which is directly or indirectly affected the functioning of the churches in the northeastern state, particularly in Meghalaya, that has been assured by the government of India to amend it. Okay, so right now I am not aware whether that amendment has been changed or not. So I can't just say that I will abstain. Because see, FCRA, it does not mean only for the Christian. You need to understand that. FCRA is for different organization. Okay, not only for Christianity. So this cover for the entire nation. So therefore, our concern is from the Christianity point of view. So we have already aired these issues. We have already proposed the amendment also. So as I said to you, I am yet to update whether those clauses where we submitted to the government of India has been agreed or not. That I don't know yet. Unless I know that, then I can tell you that yes, we are against it or we are in favor of it.
Sir,
but I don't know other, other
the bill has been reintroduced.
Can't say that because now the government while passing it towards the end of this session, because the passing has to happen towards the end of the session. So in between of that, they can always do the amendment. That's what I'm saying, because that time when the CM took a delegation, they has assured the delegation that yes, these issues, these concerns of the delegation will be taken care of.
So coming to